Okay, YouTube. So, I was trying to figure out, how to uh, replace or remove this uh, column shifter cable from the 2005 Chevy Impala steering column that I've removed. A round of applause. Okay. So, here is what, instead of busting my brain trying to figure out how to disconnect it here, which it seems almost impossible, right? And then how to find it behind the firewall, uh, through here, right? I don't even know where it goes. I guess it's crazy. Whoa, wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute. That's something I might experiment with. Interesting. And it feels like it is some sort of huh. Well, if you don't want to do this, trying to remove whatever that is, then you may just go ahead, instead of trying to bust your brain trying to figure that one out, you just go take a screwdriver like this angel popped up at the junkyard and showed me, like I'm gonna show you all, as my stuff is a mess. I'm gonna try to do it without breaking it. Just take the screwdriver, place it in between here, and slowly pry it off. And so now it's free from its last, and you can take your whole entire steering column, airbag, multifunction switch, clock spring, yeah, whatever. Like, so many pieces that you would have to buy on these things. It might be better just to go to the junkyard and take that half-inch socket and remove these two, either with a vice grip, very slowly, small turns, not to strip the nut. If you want to strip the nut, you can go buy another one. You know, it's a half-inch nut. Remove it from there, from the body or frame, and the same is a half-inch socket for those two deep inside. And then look at that A1 Auto video. Somehow this thing just popped open for me, where it just popped off. I don't know what happened. All I did was unscrew this, and it pulled from here. Um, that's where it released, as opposed to releasing here. So I was blessed there, but that's what I would advise, as opposed to going through this whole process, because this whole steering column, including the airbag, would cost one $50, according to what I'm quoted at this junkyard. So I don't know if I need the airbag yet. I'm going to install this and see if I do, and if that rectifies my horn issue, as I've already purchased a $5 turn signal canceling cam, as they stated that that was part of why the horn kept sounding off. I'm doing all this to save me about $1,000 in research to ascertain whether it's a programming issue or it's a mechanical issue, a mechanical electrical, juxtaposition issue. So this is what I would do, and I'm doing it. So I just wanted to show someone so that it can help someone out, like A1 Auto says, and they do a they do a good job of producing a lot of video, particularly for this type model, 2005 Chevy Impala, or the 8th generation Chevy Impala, 2000 to 2005. And that Monte Carlo that they use has the same body for the most part, and the same design. It's just a different body, excuse me, but same chassis. I haven't mastered how to pronounce that right, but if I didn't. But yeah, so thanks to everybody who's produced a video. There has not been a video out on how to do this. Maybe I'll find somebody who can hold up the camera so I can show you how to do all these things. But I hope the videos that I've shared will or have helped someone out in terms of rectifying this. Just take out the whole steering column and be done with it.